In Tirelo's very own words, she asked herself, what have you put yourself through ngani yabantu? Wawufunani? Hey girl, angazi ke. Utirelo put up a status on her Instagram stories and it reads as follows. She says, I remember being sent to Johannesburg to go and study. My parents bought me an apartment. Let's highlight that, guys. My parents bought me an apartment. Because, I see some people talking about how Tirelo was after the money. Don't. Guys, according to what I have seen, Tirelo looks like she's coming from a well-off family. But then again, some people coming from a well-off family and still take guys for money. So anyway, but she has an advantage that she's coming from a well-off family. So yeah. So she says, my parents bought me an apartment so that they don't have to waste money on paying rent. That is the aim, guys. That when we have kids, we must buy them apartments. They must not start from ground zero like myself. Anyway, she says, so that they don't waste money on paying rent. Haria hujiwa hot Gauteng, meaning that we didn't go to Gauteng to get eaten or to get for our money to get eaten. Then she goes on to say, Mukel Ali focused closer to finishing her studies. La fihla lizulu. Yeah, the Zulu guy entered the chat. And then she puts crying emoji, laughing emoji. Baby girl thought it was just for vibes. Angithi some of you guys, you're getting to these situationships and you're just like, I Solanga, it's for Salanka. It is just for vibes. Then she says, baby girl caught feelings. How Haiti. So meaning that baby girl caught feelings, speaking of herself, and she's like, how? I don't know. Then she goes on to say, a year into fun and games, there's a bun in the oven that never sinked in until that bun was ready. Because when you're still pregnant, it's cute, it's vibes, especially when the guy is still focusing on you. You're busy feeling like the special one because he already has a baby mama who's kind of kinging him, irritating him. So you really feel like you are the special one at that time. Up until the band is ready, as she says. And then she says, life took a turn, papas. And then she goes on to say, how do I forget how my uncle used to remind me of 7Ps. Guys, if you don't know the 7Ps, most of us say my 7Ps. It means books before boys, because boys bring babies. And that's on period, because did the boy not bring a baby because she put the boy before the books asazik. And then she goes on to say, actually, no, Ima, laughing. And then in a diary session on the last episode of Izingane Zesthembu, Tirelo basically says, it does hurt. And she says that people always say, have a child and you will see Abafana. So clearly she's saying, you know what? I am seeing Abafana. I had the baby and now I'm seeing things for what they really are. Because really, guys, a baby really can change the dynamics of a relationship. But you know what? I want to say that I really like, and I'm getting to, I feel like Tirelo's really drawing me in, is her honesty. For me, there's nothing more that draws me more to a person than a person being honest about like their journey, because being honest means that other people can learn from you too. I saw there's a live that she did with Umpumelelo and Luanja, which I missed. And she was yelling other girls. She was warning other girls or advising other girls. But books first, guys, leave Abafana, because other people, guys, they will find them. Yes, you don't owe the world nothing. You don't owe the world to tell them about your experience. You don't owe the world being a motivational speaker. But when you have such a big platform, you guys, it's a good thing to be responsible with the information that you get to share. And she is a big figure, you guys. Uthando Zesthembu in Izingane Zesthembu is like one of the biggest shows in South Africa. So I am really happy that she is honest that guys, it's not all glitz and glam as we think it is. You know, she's being honest about her journey, and maybe this is going to be an eye opener for Abo Mamngane in a sense, you know, because abomamncane always think ukuthi because I'm the last one to come in, then I'm gonna be treated special. No, you're gonna fall into the very same trap of umamkulu. The hurt that she's going through, you're gonna go through it as well. So I'm really happy that Tirelo is seeing things for what it is, and maybe that's also going to teach her, if she really does introspection, teach her that you don't laugh at another woman's downfall, you don't laugh at another woman's pain, because tomorrow it might just be you. Anyway guys, tell me what you think about this video. Please do make sure that you like this video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.